Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's drill into some of the individual movers. Very pleased to say that we're going to be able to be doing that across the board when we think about who's going to be tracking what moves and when and by whom. And we've got Natalia in the house. So we can look across the board at what's happening with Natalia Nejevic. And you're an equities reporter, Bloomberg News. Tell us what's dictating trade for you at the moment.
Right, so let's start with the biggest, one of the biggest movers today, Wall Street, Warner Brothers. The ticker is WBD. Shares are up by almost 5% today. As we know, Larry Ellison, who is a co-founder of Oracle and a father of David Ellison, he agreed to provide a personal guarantee, irrevocable personal guarantee of this $40.4 billion in equity financing for this Paramount's bid for Warner Brothers. So basically, he agreed not to revoke family trust while the deal has been pending. And also, we know that Paramount offered to increase regulatory reverse termination fee to $5.8 billion from $5 billion, matching Netflix offer. And for now, the next stage is basically to wait and see how shareholders react. And if I'm not mistaken, we do have time until January 21st. So we'll see how this plays out.
Yeah, they pushed back that date for shareholders to react. You're also looking in the energy space. What's going on with First Solar?
Yes, so First Solar, the ticker is FSLR. Shares are up by 6.5%, one of the biggest and highest intraday moves since June 2024. This is after Alphabet agreed to buy clean energy developer Intersect Power. So this is one of Alphabet's biggest deals. Of course, it will help the company to get more access to electricity. The reason why First Solar is up today because Intersect is one of its biggest clients, and First Solar sells solar panels to Intersect, and they have a contract from 2025 to 2029. So it is a big beneficiary of this big deal and trade right now.
I have a feeling that's going to be a trend. Energy for the AI space is certainly one to watch. What about Navan? What are you looking there?
Yeah, so this is one of the post-IPO stories. So we saw that Navan, the ticker is NAVN, shares are up by 5% today. The company was added to broad market Russell 3000 index and small cap Russell 2000 index today. So we see that, yes, the stock is up today significantly, but it's still down by more than 30% since its IPO, which happened in late October. What is interesting is that when we got analysts' initiation, people are very bullish on this stock. The price target is at around $25. Now it's trading at $15. So again, Wall Street is bullish, but the company is still unprofitable. So there is still a lot of kind of uncertainty around fundamentals.
It's interesting. I think there's going to be quite a lot of IPOs coming up in 2026 and everyone's going to be holding on with bated breath. You've got the 1.5 trillion potential coming from SpaceX, but people wondering whether or not OpenAI will be cashing in on the public markets coming. So is IPOs going to be remain something that topic du jour as we see them perform into the next year?
Absolutely. And we are really excited that it's not just big tech IPOs or AI play. We see that some analysts are interested in, let's say, industrials, consumer space companies. So it's not going to be just pure AI driven story. So, but yes, 2026, but we said that about 2025 will be a year of IPO. So unless we have market uncertainty or big volatility, it's going to be a really exciting year.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.